Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today I got a Colourpop order, and I ordered it since December, like December 2nd, whatever, and I just received it. Like, I was waiting all day for UPS to get here. And it's finally here. This is like my Christmas gift to myself. So I get to open it because I need to use these already. I'm not waiting to Christmas. It's like next week. So. I'm excited. Tell me give me trash. Okay. And put this to the side. I ordered lashes. They moved. From Colourpop. I wanted to try their brand. This one is in Batty. We will see how they feel. And this one is in Mommy. And I ordered the Ultra lipsticks. I like matte lipsticks. The liquid lipsticks. I like them better than regular lipsticks. Oh, this is a nice color. Oh. This one is in Melonade. It's like a dark brick red. I don't know, but the camera picks it up. And this one is in Starling. The Ultra Blotty Lip. It was on. They were on sale for like $4. Ooh. That's a beautiful nude. What's next? What's next? And I ordered the shimmering dry oil in warm gold. Dude, I am seriously thinking it's supposed to be in pink champagne. I don't know why. I wanted the little one in pink champagne, not the warm gold. See, because this one is warm gold. I got the large size. This is the one that broke the other day. I was crying. I went to go to makeup for a quinceañera, and I took this. My dumb self took this, and it fell off my... Look at this. That beautiful glitter. As soon as it falls on the floor, it's like a fragile glass, whatever. Oh, I don't know what Jesus Christ. And this one is in... It didn't tell me what it is in. Yes, the pink champagne. Look at it. I don't know, I love glitter. No, you don't want it to come out. I don't remember. I have to check my order. I don't know if this is for my travel case or not. And I got a dual. Smell beautiful. I got the dual liquid lipsticks. And Cloud Chaser. That is a mauve. I'll put the other one down because... Oh, wrong one. That's the one I just put. and well nested. Oh, this is the lip gloss. I don't see what lip gloss is. Guess I'm gonna have to try start using lip glosses. I have a lot of lip glosses. And so excited. I got the shimmering body powders. This is big. This is a really big highlight. Oh my god. Oh, you can see it. And I already have some in my face, so I don't wanna. This one is in shade Rose. And I have another one. Platinum. I like the size. I really like the size. I think I'm gonna order more. This one's in Platinum. It's a really big difference. Do they smell like that? It smells like a nail salon. I don't know, does it? To me, it smells like a nail salon place. And that is it. I really like this one. I probably did order it for my travel cases. I didn't want to carry the big one and cry about it all day. All day I was crying. I told my daughter, I was like, I should have never taken it. But I got 2 new highlights. Glitter. Imagine all over your body, especially for Christmas, New Year's.